So in my probably 44 years of my life that I remember, I never remembered a snow event like this in Southwest Washington. And to me, this is just insane. And it's like frozen tundra, blizzard-like conditions. I bet you, drifts, there's feet of snow. And it's like hard to walk around. You can see those are normal, like big plots. You see where I just walked through this snow? It's insane. I'm gonna try to go around with my greenhouse. Not much alive in there. You can see where a pepper plant used to be there. That's a 5-gallon bucket. Buried, that's a 50-gallon water drum. You can see our fence, probably then all the way down there to the concrete. This is insane. Barely get this gate open because of the snowdrift. Guess one should wear gloves when they come out in this. Look how it's like blown around. Snow drifts up by the truck. This is insane. Stairway. Come out here. See between the cars, just big old foot-plus snow drift. Behind there, I would say that's 2 or 3 feet. Can't even see the curbs anymore. Oh man, this is insane. I want to get my drone out, but it's not supposed to fly in precipitation or high winds. We were having like 45-mile-per-hour winds when this first started, and then most of yesterday was gusting into the 30s. Me and the wife walked out here last night to go get the mail, and as you can see, the only footsteps are mine from this morning, so it's filling it in really quick. All the wind is keeping it blown off the roofs for the most part. We saw last night, it was, I would say, well, I wouldn't say it, it was like 19 or 18 degrees with those winds. You can see over there where it's blown it off the street. But as you can see in here, you can't even see the curbs. It's like disappeared. This is or this weather front is supposed to stick around until I think tomorrow sometime, Sunday. And it's supposed to have like 80-90% chance of precipitation today. So I'm assuming there's more coming. Anyway, I just wanted to capture this on video so I could remember in the future and have something to compare it against when we have other crazy snow events. It's cold out here. Should have wore gloves.
Where's your ball? Get out there. Oh, you found a low spot. You can walk. Where are you going? You can't just stay in where there's a drift path.
Video.